Good day, I am Pamela G. Briones, and right now I will be discussing to you the marketing roles and responsibilities. So let's first start with our marketing organizational chart. Here we have our research and marketing team leader, Ma'am Giselle Robes, and then under that we have two product managers, which is Ma'am Roan Torres for our swine product, and then for poultry product we have Ma'am Princess Umali. So under Ma'am Joanne Torres is of course me, Pamela Briones, as a swine PM analyst, and then in my counterpart for poultry is Ma'am Zaira Apuli, and then for North Sales Analyst, we have Ma'am Rosel Romero, which is also under Ma'am Joanne Torres. And then for South Sales Unit, we have Ma'am L. Love Marie Martinez, which is under Ma'am Princess Amali. So, I'm going to discuss first the roles of Product Manager and PM Analyst, or the roles and responsibilities. So, first is reporting. So, as a PM analyst and also PM analyst and sales analyst are directly reporting to our product managers, and our product managers are reporting to our team leaders, and our team leaders, which is Ma'am Giselle Robes, is reporting to marketing director Mr. Yong Wongko, or directly to our HSP, which is Mr. Yumanue. And then next is product life cycle management. So as a product manager and a product manager analyst, we are reviewing swine and poultry product na kailangan nating i-launch or i-update or i-phase out if kailangan. So we are here we are considering yung mga sales volume analysis or the profitability of the product and the market situation or trend kung nabago ba. So we are considering that in launching, updating, and deletion of product. Next is launching of new product. So in launching of new product, we are preparing, of course, the console for launching and the marketing plan or the strategies for this for a certain product, and then we are also the one who is analyzing, collecting, and gathering all the data needed or the details that is needed in conducting marketing and launching plans. So in here we are the basis is the 3C, STP, and 4P. So 3C is the company, so we are analyzing the company, the customer, and of course the competitors. And then the STP, we are analyzing, of course, the segmentation, targeting, and positioning of our products. And 4P, which is the place, product, price, and promotion. Next naman is the product FABE. So in product FABE, katulong namin dito yung research, which is sila yung initial na gumagawa ng features, ng advantages, ng benefits, ng evidences, sila yung gumagawa ng concept, and by that, we are using yung information na nag-gather nila in order to create the FABE na applicable sa ating target market. Next naman is our marketing mix, or yung 4Ps na na-discuss ko kanina, yung price, product, promotion, and place. So we are responsible for preparation of marketing mix data for swine and poultry products. So it's either new or existing, and of course the competitors. And then also we are the one who is analyzing and also we are the one who is making marketing and campaign material. So in here is the product promotions and product frames. Next is competitor product analysis or research. So in here we are analyzing competitors' price, promotions, kung anong promotions na ba yung ginagawa nila sa area, and then we are also collecting feed samples from competitors, of course, in order to use as benchmarking, and then we are also collecting the trend and of competitors and their activities. And then next is conceptualizing marketing materials. So kami din yung gumagawa ng mga brochures, packaging designs, layouts, mga technical and training materials for sales, and then calendars na ginagamit natin for promo materials, tarpaulins, and many more, mga store signs, ganyan. So also we are the one who are making sales tools and seminar and group sales activities. And then next is customer or area visit. So bumi-visit din kami sa areas, sa different areas in order to observe yung product performance natin in actual field. Kung kamusta ba yung product, and para din makakolect tayo ng proof of performance. And then we are also the one who is consolidating and verifying yung informations regarding like customer concerns, product performance observation, and of course yung market survey. And then next is yung monthly product complaint summary. So in here, ang gumagawa nito is yung ating poultry team, kung saan sila yung nagko-consolidate ng mga concerns and na nire-report ng customers. And then tinitignan natin kung valid ba yon yung concerns na yon, and ayun, kumukuha tayo ng data para malaman natin kung wait lang. So sige pa. So next is our monthly product complaint summary. So in here, ang gumagawa ng nito is yung ating poultry team. So sila naman yung nagko-consolidate ng concern na nare-report ng mga customers. So dito is tinitignan natin kung valid ba yung concerns, and inaalam natin every details ng concern. And then next is KMF monitoring and farm recording. So dito nagko-collect tayo and nag-analyze ng proof of performance, or ito yung mga testimonies ng mga product natin, kung gaano ba siya ka-effective or ka-effective sa ating end users. Tapos ginagamit natin yon as marketing tool din para makapag-convert pa tayo ng other customers. And then discussion. So product management discussions, tayo yung responsible doon to SRs, sa mga sales, sa customers, and then also sa newly hired employees for swine and poultry. So dinidiscuss namin yung product and its management. And then lastly is the gap analysis. So ang gumagawa din nito is our poultry team, kung saan pine-prepare natin yung gap analysis for both plant, for Batangas and Bulacan. So sa gap analysis, inaalam natin yung reason ng pag-increase or pag-decrease ng volume ng certain distributors or certain area para ma-analyze natin yung market. And then next naman is yung roles and responsibilities ng ating sales analyst. So dito meron tayong, yun nga, si Ma'am Rosal Romero and Ma'am L. Love Martinez sa South, and si Ma'am Rosal sa North. So ang isa sa mga roles and responsibilities nila is yung monthly expense report. Kung saan sila ay nag-check ng liquidation, ng mga reimbursement for the week or month ng mga sales manager natin. Sila din yung responsible sa cash advance or yung sa CA, kung saan nagre-request sila ng revolving fund and other budget na nire-request din ng ating sales manager. So next naman is the GSA or group sales activities. So they are the one responsible for the approval monitoring of GSA consultation, and then sila din yung mga nagfa-follow up ng liquidation and checking ng GSA evaluation report. Then of course sick or vacation leave, so sila yung nag-file on behalf of the sales manager. So pag sinabi na parang mag-SL sila, so sila yung nagre-rely nung leave ng mga sales manager sa office. So sila yung responsible for filing and monitoring of every leave of absences for our sales. And then also they are the one responsible for itinerary and accomplishment. So dito monitor natin yung daily itinerary and accomplishment ng every sales managers. Kung anong oras sila nag-submit ng itinerary, anong oras sila nag-submit ng accomplishments. Dito, mamomonitor natin syempre yung daily activity ng ating sales dahil nga nasa field sila. Then next is yung sa monthly process naman, which is yung BDO credit card usage. So they are the one responsible for the approval monitoring of BDO credit card usage of marketing TLs and HSU, which is si marketing TL si Ma'am Giselle Robes, and then for our HSU is Mr. Yong Wong Ko and Mr. Maruel Carlos. And then inventory. So sa inventory naman, they are the one monitoring and releasing ng mga promo materials natin na nire-request ng mga salesperson. So sa kanila kumukuha yung mga sales ng like brochures, ng mga promo materials na kailangan nilang gamitin sa GSAs like mga notebook, notepad, mga ballpen. So sa kanila nagre-request. Sila yung nagmo-monitor, sila yung nagre-release through gate pass, and ayun, sa kanila nagsasabi yung mga ahente. And then, Petron usage. So, sila din yung responsible for the approval, monitoring, and checking of Petron usage ng mga ahente natin. And then, sales incentive computation. So, sila din yung nagpo-compute ng sales incentives, which is quarterly ginagawa. And next is work-related concerns. So, ito naman yung mga other liquidations like car maintenance. So, dito is nilalog in nila in receiving folder ng sales analyst natin if may naratanggap silang liquidations for car maintenance before nila ifo-forward sa admin personnel. Because yung car maintenance po natin is pinapasa ng ahente talaga sa admins. And then, lastly is other sales team related concerns. So they are making sure na yung sales managers natin is well acquainted with yung mga memos na pinapatupad ng company and mga other related matters na galing sa kumpanya by providing them information sa email nila, text, or sa calls. So yun po yung roles and responsibilities naman ng ating sales analyst. So, ayun lang naman po yung roles and responsibilities ng ating marketing team. Thank you!